Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Right now I was eating a corn. Now it's the speciality of Pakistan, corn that's made in sand, that's delicious and amazing. We were talking about it and I was gonna throw the corn cob away. My uncle told me no, don't throw it, that's garbage. And I interrupted him. There's a very innate differentiation between trash that's bad and trash that's good. There's a very large difference. For example, if you eat some vegetables and you throw the trash of that vegetable outside, it's not actually trash, it's rather material, it's rather fertilizers for the soil, and it's rather something that will decompose, will create or will turn into compost and will make the soil more better and will make it amazing. It's a very interesting concept. Now, what he was going to do is, when I told him that it's not actually bad but it's good because it turns into compost and it is good for the environment, he was going to throw it away, all of it, and that he had in his hand with the bag, plastic bag. Now, I told him the difference between good and bad is what you're holding it in. The plastic bag is bad. It's a bad thing for this place because plastics do not decompose. It's a man-made thing. Natural things are compatible with natural things, but artificial things are not compatible with natural things. Natural things are made to be collaborative and to work together to make the place as good as it ever is. But normally artificial things do not work together with nature. They do not function the same way as we do or as natural things do. You cannot take it into the mix or throw it into the mix. So anything that's man-made, anything that's artificial, anything that is bad, do not throw it away. If you are throwing it away, make sure to dump it in the correct places. For example, trash cans, etc. If you're throwing it, dump it in those places. Dump it in junkyards, dump it in places like that. But if you have, for example, maybe something that's made of natural material, go ahead and throw it, because that will turn into what we can call either compost or either it will turn into a good old tree, a good old plant. And that plant, when it grows, it will actually be giving out shelter, meaning shade. It will also be giving out fruit. It will also be giving out either vegetable and a lot of other stuff. So you get a lot of good deeds from that. It's a good deed to do, and it's also the fact that you are actually helping the nature rather than destroying it. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching, and Allah Hafiz.